Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm currently on my way up to Stunt Tower to take some photos. I got my buddy behind me in the car. He's actually carrying all of my gear right now, and I'm so used to carrying an extra 20 to 30 pounds on my back that I kind of feel naked. It's so weird. I'm wearing my full suit right now, but I feel like something's missing, and it's kind of throwing me off. But we're going to visit up to Stunt Tower. It's a beautiful location in Malibu. It's an old radio tower from what I believe, and when I get up there I'll throw my drone up so you guys can get a better view of it. The reason why I'm going up there is because I want to take photos of the Husky for a website called Unsplash, and this is not sponsored, but if you guys haven't heard of Unsplash, it's a site that I use to upload photos. Different brands and creators can use your photos for advertisements or commercials, and you don't get paid from it. It's actually completely free. The reason why I do it is because it leads to actually having more business. It drives a lot of traffic to my website, and as you can see, the numbers prove it. I get a lot of traffic on that page, so I'm going up to make some more content and fill the demand for this website. Alright, well, this is Stunt Tower. You obviously can't see it because it's actually behind that mountain up there. So we're gonna throw up the drone and show you guys what it looks like from an aerial view. All to myself. I like that. Welcome to the beautiful God seat once again. If you guys watched the last video, I went here as well. This is one of my all-time favorite spots for drone flying in this area. It's just incredible. If you haven't been here, Google it, God seat. If you come here, please be generous and don't leave your trash. There's a trash can right there. Throw it in there. Do your part. Keep this place clean. Please keep your nature clean. Oh my God. Wow. This is like prime time. Why I love riding and taking photos. It's just nothing like it. Just look at how beautiful. Wow. If you're contemplating about riding motorcycles, just do it. Do it right though, but do it. And get a supermoto so we can ride together.